Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. Let's find out what is inside the bag. Alright, so we got a little package. And we got 2 stamped cross stitches. So we'll start with the little package first. This bag comes from Fansells and .com, and if they have any specials, I will put that right here and also in the description box below. So let's see what is in the little package. I can just get everything out of there, maybe. So they had a different kind of one of these, oh heck, I'll just use this one, magnet things. So this one was round. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Oh, let's just cut it. Maybe that'll help. There we go. And it's of 2 dragons. I'm trying to figure out which way is up. Maybe it goes this way. Well, I don't know. Your choice. But there's a red and a gold dragon, and it's got some nice sparkles to it. Does have a magnet back here. So yeah, I thought I'd add that into my collection as well. Just never saw that one before. So up we go. We'll have to use that today, maybe. Alright, so that one was $3.74. I don't know if they had any other new ones. I can't for the life of me remember. So let us go to the first one, and I don't know which one this is, so we'll just open it up. Let me move the other one out of the way so we don't have to listen to it crinkle. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. This is the Lady and the Dragon. It does have a product number up here. It is 40 by, well, it says 40 by 70. Let's see. It says 40 or 39 by 74 on the actual paper. So it was $10.59. But yeah, I just thought it was cool. I liked all the colors in it. So we'll see how this one goes. And nice big pattern. I'm going to flip it. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. It's all connected. Has 42 colors. It's 147 by 298. And see there it says 40 by 74. So we'll see. Let's take a look at the whole pattern, or as a whole. That is, if I can get it unfolded. I don't see any smudges or smears. There's going to be some confetti, but there's also going to be some bigger areas. Very nice. Very nicely printed. Hang on. I got, whoa. Sorry. Gosh darn it. Find a flat spot. There we go. I had to move my pop. It was like falling this way, falling that way. So yeah, there's some confetti in here, but this whole background here, this yellow, is 310 black. We have 154, which is mulberry. We have 498 red. Okay, that's different. I'm not sure where that's all going to go. Maybe in her lips. So there might not be too much of that. No 823. We do have some 939, which is the dark blue. No 3371. We have 3770, which is the butter color. And no 3865. We have 3863. So I have no idea what light colors they're using, but it's a very nice pattern. Very, very nice. So we'll have to see what that's all about. But there's confetti down there, but there's lots of details. So I think it'll be fine. I really do. So let's get on to the threads. What did it say? 42 colors. And we do, hang on, I got stuff going in every direction. We do have a toolkit. We have a little fish of some kind. Come on, everybody. Hang on. Shift. So we have a little fish. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. So that's nice. And the bag does have the product number on it here. So the number is 6476, 6476, and 6476. So that all matches. Let me get it out of its bag, and they are on thread drops. Be right back. All right, I am back. That is quite the wad of threads. It does have a nice rubber band holding it together. So let me give it a good shake so we can look. But you have tans, browns, oranges. There's your 310 black. We have dark blues, dark green and very dark green. I don't know if those two are the same, but there's some dark olive green and some light colors. So maybe there's no white in this. There is a bit of turquoise there. Let me flip it over. There's turquoise, kind of a bluish green. It's more on the green tones than turquoise. I saw something. There's kind of a dark blue-green. So very nice colors. Just beautiful. And I love that orangish color. That might be like her skin tones and stuff. You would think that maybe there'd be a little bit more, but that's maybe the pink tones in her face. Do have some yellow. So very nice. Oh yeah, I'm excited about this one. You know that. I'm gonna just fold that right up and set it right up there. All right, let's take a look at that canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Oh, just a spare thread. Not like sewing thread. It was like, well, it is sewing thread, but it was more like the thread here. So like I said, serged all the way around. Nice, big, huge key. Very easy to see all that. Very easy to see symbols. But yeah, up here in this dragon's part of his head, that's going to have a lot of confetti because of all the detail. And then a little bit on her dress. This is where, like, her collar's right there. There we go. There's the dragon. No, that wasn't the collar. This is the dragon head. And then this, oh my goodness, it's just long and skinny. All this yellow is her hair. And this is her face. So they've put a lot of detail into her face, which is good. And her outfit. Very nicely done. Very well printed. It's on that nice smooth canvas. The serging does just barely kind of goes into it there, and then it's not. But your paper pattern will match your canvas, so that is a good thing. Oh gosh, I'm trying to get it where it needs to be just so I can measure. All right, hang on. We got things going here. Give me a sec. All right. We have 70, almost 73.5 centimeters and about 28 3/4 inches by 15 3/4 inches or 40 centimeters across. Actual picture size is a little over 13 1/4 inches or 34 centimeters. This way, approximately, is 68.5 centimeters or 26 3/4 inches, maybe even a little bit over that. But it looks very easy to stitch. There's just going to be some large areas in her hair. And then all this is highlight type stuff in her hair. So that'll be nice. So you can just do it a little bit at a time. There's a little bit of that black coming into the, I want to say that's the neck of the dragon, if you're going sideways. And that's like his mouth. So yeah, very well done. I'm glad there's a lot of more detail than I would have given it credit for. So very nice. And that one was only $10.59, so good price for the size. Whoops, we have drooling things today. All right, let's get on to the next one. It was $10.84. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I didn't know if I'd like this or not. These pictures are kind of horrible. I will put a picture of each of those, you know, when I'm opening the other one, and a picture of this, so you'll get a better idea of what it really looks like, because it's kind of a bad picture. All right, let's take a look at this one. It does have the product number up here, and it does have instructions just like the last one. This one is 44 by 64 centimeters. Let's see the whole pattern. Pattern looks really good. No smudges, no smears. Kind of like all this. It's got some confetti in it, but there are some bigger areas. So I just thought it was kind of cool looking. It does have 28 colors though, but 95% of this is tones of red or green. I don't know if that's green or black. There's partly both. And then you've got yellow, so I think it'll be fine in this. And then you have the big areas, which is 606 right here on this blue. Anything else? The yellow is 310 black. And that pink is 817. I think that's a form of red. I'm not sure. So it has 310 black, 498 red, 666 red, no 823, no 939. Does have 3371, which is the dark brown, and no 3865 in this one either. So, but very well done, very nicely printed. I really like this company. I do. Nice and big. I'm going to leave this folded so I can see the number. Now, I'm going to show you. Product number is 6539, and, you know, it might help if I get it in the thing. Product number is 6539, 6539, and 6539. So everything should match. I'm going to get rid of the paper up here and put it up there. We have the little fish again, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader, just like the last one. Let's get this out of its bag. All right, I am back. It is rubber banded together so it won't fall apart. But this is going to have lots of reds, yellows, golds. This is your 3371. I believe, yep. And over here is your 310 black. This is probably 666 red. Just beautiful oranges and reds and yellows and black. It'll be gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. A lot of dark in it. So I hope the picture looks better than what the picture in that looks like. So we'll see. And there's even some dark burgundy. Now that might be 498 red. But usually you can tell 666 red. And that 606 is a red, I'm pretty sure. So very nicely done. There's even greens in that. If you get it into the light. There's some bright yellow there. It's like neon yellow. Whoa. So cool. So I think that what I'm saying, whoops, we're shedding a color. I think the 25 or 26 colors 28 colors. I'm sorry. Holy cow. I am just losing it today. 28 colors. I think we'll be fine, is where I was going with that whole conversation. I'm going to put this puppy back in there so nothing gets separated. Not that you couldn't tell that that went with that kit, you know, since those are the only two I have out right at this time. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is very nicely printed. These are both 11 count, before I forget. Product number. And at the bottom, it says it's 44 by 64. It's 168 by 255 squares. Serged all the way around. And it goes just into the numbers, but your paper pattern will match your canvas, so that's very easy to tell where you're at and what color you're actually looking for, if you have any problems seeing that. But very nicely done. And this one is a little bit shorter. It's 64, so it's what, 10 centimeters smaller than the last one. So it is 65 centimeters, or a little over 25.5 inches. So these are both not very wide. They make something nice to stitch on in the summer. And it's 43.5 centimeters, or pretty close to 17.25 inches. The actual size is a little over 14.75 inches, or 37.5 centimeters by approximately 59 centimeters, or 23.25 inches. So they're both long and skinny, you know. But I really liked them, and this is the year of the dragon, so I think I'm collecting dragons at this point. So we'll see which one of these I start today. I think probably the lady, because I do like teals and blues and that kind of thing. So very nice canvas. They're both real lightweight. They're a little stiff, but it'll crunch right down. This is the older one. This one is, where the other one was real smooth, like that new Ada cloth. But I kind of prefer these because they crunch so well, you know, and it's easy to work with, and it doesn't take any time at all for them to break down, you know, to so you can handle them, and for them to get soft is where I was going. I'm going all the way around the barn today, guys. I'm telling you, it takes me forever to make a point. So sorry. All right, Fansells, like I said, if they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, I will put that at the beginning, and I will also put it in the description box below. They have cross-stitch diamond painting, and I believe paint by number. I love this store. I've ordered from them a few times and not had a problem with them. I really like them. Customer service is awesome. They also have puzzles, paint by number, wax sealing. They even have music boxes. And they do customs for diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And they have tools and crafts for all that. So it's kind of a one-stop shop. They always have a nice selection and great prices. So do check them out. Thank you, Fansells, for these two lovely kits and my lovely new needle of mine. I gotta get a hold of it because there's so much magnet there. He is so cool. They are so cool, I should say. I like them because they're sparkly. See how sparkly that is? Holy cow. Put your eye out. But very good detail. Very nice. I like these things. They're beautiful. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.